I could do all that in, let's say, a day, schedule out all my content. But then on top of that, I'm always going to be looking for some random viral stuff, just super random viral stuff. Maybe I post that at 6 p.m. at night on random days. And maybe that's my flexible time is like later on at night, trying to find some random viral stuff. And then maybe I come up with another super random viral couple or whatever, and maybe I'll repost that kind of stuff. So I'm just looking to be able to jumpstart my page using other people's content. And eventually, once I start getting a fan base and once I start getting engagement, I know I've got a good niche. I know I've got something good. Now I'm going to maybe start trying a little bit harder. Now I'm going to maybe start blending in some of my own content, maybe really trying to spend some time. In the beginning, I'm just looking to load up a page and see if it works. Yes, this doesn't even count the views on the other platforms. So for example, when you see that they get 8 million views on Facebook, that's not including, they also posted to YouTube Shorts, they also posted to Instagram Reels, they also posted to TikTok. So collectively, they might have done 25 million views on that single video. Then on top of that, there's all the knockoffs.